Health benefits of potassium. 1. May help reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure affects nearly 1 in 3 Americans. It's a risk factor for heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. A potassium-rich diet may reduce blood pressure by helping the body remove excess sodium. High sodium levels can elevate blood pressure, especially for people whose blood pressure is already high. An analysis of 33 studies found that when people with high blood pressure increased their potassium intake, their systolic blood pressure decreased by 3.49 mmHg, while their diastolic blood pressure decreased by 1.96 mmHg. In another study including 1,285 participants aged 25, 64, scientists found that people who ate the most potassium had reduced blood pressure, compared to people who ate the least. Those who consumed the most had systolic blood pressure that was 6 mmHg lower and diastolic blood pressure that was 4 mmHg lower, on average. 2. May help protect against strokes. A stroke occurs when there is a lack of blood flow to the brain. It's the cause of death for more than 130,000 Americans every year. Several studies have found that eating a potassium-rich diet may help prevent strokes. In an analysis of 33 studies including 128,644 participants, scientists found that people who ate the most potassium had a 24% lower risk of stroke than people who ate the least. Additionally, an analysis of 11 studies with 247,510 participants found that people who ate the most potassium had a 21% lower risk of stroke. They also found that eating a diet rich in this mineral was linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. 3. May help prevent osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition characterized by hollow and porous bones. It's often linked to low levels of calcium, an important mineral for bone health. Interestingly, studies show that a potassium-rich diet may help prevent osteoporosis by reducing how much calcium the body loses through urine. In a study in 62 healthy women aged 45, 55, scientists found that people who ate the most potassium had the greatest total bone mass. In another study with 994 healthy premenopausal women, scientists found that those who ate the most potassium had more bone mass in their lower back and hip bones. 4. May help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are clumps of material that may form in concentrated urine. Calcium is a common mineral in kidney stones, and several studies show that potassium citrate lowers calcium levels in urine. In this way, potassium may help fight kidney stones. Many fruits and vegetables contain potassium citrate, so it's easy to add to your diet. In a 4-year study in 45,619 men, scientists found those who consumed the most potassium daily had a 51% lower risk of kidney stones. Similarly, in a 12-year study in 91,731 women, scientists found that those who consumed the most potassium daily had a 35% lower risk of kidney stones. 5. It may reduce water retention. Water retention happens when excess fluid builds up inside the body. Historically, potassium has been used to treat water retention. Studies suggest that a high potassium intake can help reduce water retention by increasing urine production and reducing sodium levels.